Good morning. Today we are going to solve this question. A company selling CDs uses a unique 6-digit identification number for each CD title. The rightmost digit position is a check digit. So that would be this particular digit. The validity of the number and check digit is calculated as follows. So if you want to make this number and check whether it is a valid identification number, then this is the algorithm for it. These are the 4 steps that you need to follow. And the question is to find the check digit, that is what digit would fill the check digit value in here. To do this, what we need to do is take the number 5, 0, 2, 4, 1, and this is the digit that we need to calculate. And if you look at the digit positions, this digit is at position 1, this is at 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So according to the first point in the algorithm, multiply each digit by its digit position. So to do that, what we do is we multiply each digit with the corresponding digit position and add up the result of all these products. So that would be 5 multiplied by 6 plus 0 multiplied by 5 plus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by 3 plus 1 multiplied by 2, and this would become 30 plus 0 plus 8 plus 12 plus 2, which gives you 38, 40, 52. Now this is the sum that you find. So that will be the result of this. Now the division of this answer by 11 should give you a remainder of 0. So if you want to make or round it off to the nearest multiple of 11, you need to add 3 to this to make it 55, which is divisible by 11. So the value 3 is supposed to be the value in this particular position, in this digit position number 1. So the answer, the check digit, is 3. That's your final answer.